So hi guys, welcome to Masses Empire. Today guys, I'm bringing you another different vlog. We've come all the way, Team Kenya. We're coming here to support our Ugandan brothers. They have a football match. You guys, you already know we have AFCON matches going on all over Africa. And because Uganda has also a stadium that is hosting some of the games, we are here to support Team Uganda, the Ugandan Cranes, and they will be battling the Guinea-Bissau today. Apparently, the day before yesterday, Kenya, we lost to, we were the host, but we lost 2-1. But I'm hoping Uganda is gonna make my yesterday crying to go away. I want to rejoice that Ugandan Crane will gonna make it. I know Ugandan Cranes are not a joke, guys. They are not a joke. And we've come here. There's a lot of noise. This is where the tickets are being sold. But I'm here with...
Yes, with me. Guys, she's here with me.
I'm here with the TTM, the time master. Brought him to watch the football match with me, and he's telling me he's not a football fan.
Apparently, but we are here.
Yeah.
And I was just going through the hassle of getting a ticket, which is a real hassle.
Yeah.
But yes, let's see what the day holds for us. A lot of amazing stuff.
Yeah.
Not just football.
Yeah.
So keep watching.
Keep watching, guys. So I'm gonna be taking you inside the stadium to show you the entertainment before the game starts. The game is going to start at around 7. So yeah, we have to come early to get the best position where I'll be giving you a lot of entertainment. I'm all about entertainment today, and I hope we win 10-1 or 10-0. Predict. What do you think we will get?
2-1.
2-1. Who is going to win? Uganda. Just say Uganda.
2-1.
2-1. Okay, let's go
If my prediction goes right.
2-1. What do you think we will give him if his prediction goes on correct? He says 2-1. Me, I'm saying 1-0, and it's Uganda that is going to score.
Okay, let's wait and see.
Guinea-Bissau, we are battling Guinea-Bissau, but Guinea are not easy, guys. They're not easy.
Sorry guys, if I'm so distracted. I'm trying to check the bike all the time.
Yeah. We parked the bike there. Let's go where the bike is and then let's head in. I hope we're gonna get an amazing place to park.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Hold,
Christian.
Yes. Hello. How are you? We're fine.
On her behalf. At the road. They were the ones who were dancing.
Oh!
We are here.
They're there.
Yes.
We told you we'll be here.
Yeah.
But why are you guys not dancing? We come dance with you.
No, we are dancing here. They have gone
Inside.
But now
Okay.
they're charging me too much for ticket, 50.
Yes?
Where can I get ticket? They're charging me here 50k.
50k.
They are lying to us. We've been told the ticket is 30. And then there's someone who has sold us one ticket as 25. And then there's someone who's saying 50k.
I think VIP is for 50.
Huh?
VIP.
No, we are not VIP. We don't want VIP. Why are they lying to us?
Where can I buy? Mend up on MB50.
Where I have mine, I can sell it. Because I'm not going to later.
Why if you sell for me?
How much?
But because you are two.
Yeah.
She already has one.
I already got one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody has sold to me at 20. Yeah. 20.
We'll buy.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go and get it.
Hey guys, we got the ticket. Time master, guys, was about to mix the big game.
They wanted to overcharge me, and me being a budget person, I was like, nah.
Yeah. So yeah, we're getting a ticket here. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I hope we win. I hope we win. Yeah, yeah.
Guys, okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's how you live in these streets, you know?
Yeah.
You spend as little as you can. And apparently we got this for 20,000.
Yeah.
We were being asked 50K to buy this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But we got it at 20.
Mine, I got it at 25. You know, now we have cartels here who are selling even the ticket as 50,000 because the game is about to go and start. I think the people who will come here, maybe the last time, they will get it even at 100.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's early to come early. It's better to come early.
Should we go in now?
Yeah. Here. You have all the tickets, yeah?
Yeah. Ona. Enda usimame pale.
Huh?
Tutapita hivi.
Huh?
Tutapita alafu usimame pale unirekodi nikuja na mbali.
Aya. No. Aya, tumechukua pikipiki, ako na ticket, wacha akuje tuingie. Yeah. Hao wanauza ticket 50,000. Ati 50. Wanataka kutugonga. Tumezunguka hapo tukapata wengine wakatuuzia na 25. Imagine, why are they doing that? Na online ticket ni 20.
Online again you are late, so they are taking advantage. So you have decided to go.
No, we have bought. We have the ticket. Yeah, we bought our ticket.
But now,
Yeah. Huh? No, we can't. Look at this one has a number plate. We can't leave it outside. We are scared. Look at here. The problem is we are scared to park it outside.
Why?
I don't know.
But okay, let me take it. Let me just go around and then come back. Let me just take it. Get a view inside and then come back.
Yeah.
I'll take a picture and then come back.
Yeah.
They're not allow you to ride there.
Huh?
Where's
Huh?
the entrance?
Here they don't allow motorcycles.
Here is the. Where is the entrance? We are new here.
Motorcycles there.
Yeah.
Where?
Okay, good.
Where is the entrance, mommy?
I didn't know there are gates. This is Eastern. Where? Here. Eastern. They are all for here. Oh.
So?
That we should not enter with this bike inside.
But do you want to leave it here? You're scared. There is a
Bike is somewhere inside.
for security purposes. Help us. Just help us. You know, it even has our traveling documents. If we lose our passport and everything inside here.
Where? Inside here?
Yeah.
Are you saying now?
Yeah. That's why we are scared.
It's in your bag. You don't have any bag.
No, it's an envelope. Even I can open it for you. It's a big file.
Risky.
It's very risky.
It's very risky to leave those documents there.
But the problem is, we can't walk with a file. We can't walk with a file. How can you walk with a file? It's here. Let me show you. Ebu, let me show you. Acha ngoja. Come. Come, let me show you. We can't go and leave our traveling documents. We can't leave our traveling documents here. We would rather not go inside to watch the game.
And they have already paid.
Yeah, and we have already paid. Yeah. Fungwa? Yeah. How can we leave our traveling documents here? Those are the documents we crossed the border, Busia border with, to come and watch the football. And you're telling us to leave the bike with the documents. Yeah. We want to watch the football. Yeah. 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 We want somewhere somebody can get out of the stadium to go and check, come back like that. Yeah. It's risky. Even you have seen it's risky. Very risky. We will explain ourselves. We will explain ourselves.
If we leave it here, that's it.
So guys, I'm super excited. I am going inside to watch the Ugandan train. But the problem is, we can't leave this bike here, guys. And somebody will see. The problem is, it will bring attraction. When someone sees the number plate, it's a Kenyan number plate. Hey, we are in problems. You don't know how many times somebody has tried to pick it in town. No, we go and explain ourselves. There's no way. Huh?
So parking your bike is yours. Owners, they have not even designed the parking for motorcycles.
But you guys are offering security for the game.
Yes.
And then why not our bike?
And they have not told us to park.
We don't have parking.
Yeah.
Are you seeing this is the road? No parking.
Where can we take you now?
How was it?
Okay, let's do this.
Let's go to the other gate and see.
We try. If they refuse, we just go home. Yeah.
Can't go home because you have already paid for it. And
So what are we going to do?
you have all the way from Kenya.
Imagine.
For the gate is so less compared to this bike, the security of the bike.
Yeah.
So I would rather lose that than risk my bike. You get my.
This is almost 15 million. Yeah. Hiya. Okay. Actually, there is another bike here.
Unaona huyo madhe amekuja akawaambia tuko na kamera. Umeona wameahirisha wataki story. Amekuja kuambia tuko na kamera. Umeona wamebadilika tu wataki story.
Yeah, but I've recorded everything yet.
But now the audio was
Not even the audio. I've everything plus their face. So unajua hii, ukiangalia hii, it's the good thing with the Yeah.
Bikes are allowed to enter?
We go there? How much?
I don't know, but you can check there.
No, they are send us here.
This is the other gate. It's called the...
This is which gate? Okay, let's go and ask.
Feel free, but I don't think you have
Songa karibu penye polisi yuko. Where the copy is like there. Kule pale, this side. Huyu. Hello. Call him. This one. Hello, how are you? We need your help. We've come all the way from Kenya. We've come for the game, yeah? But we can't leave our bike outside. It's going to bring a lot of people will see a Kenya number plate, and we have the ticket for the game. So how are you gonna help us? We can park it here and you help us check it for us. Sasa tunaogopa kupaki pick up. Hii ni ya number plate, si hapa. Unajua inaweza potea. Uko askari ametuambia tukuje tuongee na nyinyi. Yeah, so the askari has told us to come and ask for parking here, and then we go back for the ticket. We park the bike and then we go back. Yeah. That's fine. But when we come at night, who are we going to get to release at the bike? Okay. Before. Chai, haina shida, tualete chai.
Na ule vile unapiga hiyo bomu anafanya nini? Na kama unajua watu yangu wapo huko waturuda hapa ndio utafanya wewe kwa mtoto?
Haina shida.
So
tuingize. Amekurudisha ticket. Utapaka pato hapa. Akiwa yasonge kidogo. Thank you so much. We were scared. We were thinking maybe if we come as we are going to the other side. Yeah?
You sort out your phones, present me the tickets.
Yeah. We were scared to leave it outside because of the number. It can bring a lot of chaos. Yeah. And then our traveling documents are even inside.
But it will be safe.
It will be safe. What's your name? I want to come and ask for you.
Where is the number?
Yeah, help me record. I don't know how you hold this camera.
Let me stop. We'll record again. We'll start late.